In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus over here and set up an hour. If you wish to use this alarm only once, you can click on this switcher next to delete after alarm goes off to enable this option. If you are planning to use it more than once, hit repeat and pick one of those options. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or customize. If you decided to select customize, click on days of the week and go back. Now tap on ringtone here, pick one of those or hit all ringtones. Then tap on choose local ringtone here, select allow, tap on any of your sound sources to add a file from your tablet, choose OK, and go back. If you want to choose one of those ringtones though, hit apply next to the chosen one and choose OK. Either way, this time when you go back, you can click on label to name your alarm and finally save it by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the check mark again. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!